To this point, while working in Excel, all of our data has consisted of ranges of cells that contain data. The cells were not related to each other in any way, they were just individual cells. Excel has a special way of grouping cells together, which adds some additional features. This is called converting cells into a table. Some of the additional features you get with tables include the option to quickly apply a pre-formatted style to the table. The style will make color and font changes to the heading, footer, rows, and columns within the table. The ability to add alternating colors to rows and columns to make data easier to read across or down the page. Automatic format updating when you add a new row or column to the table. Easy formula updates. When you add a formula to one cell in a table, the formula is automatically added to every cell in the column. Table formulas are also easier to read and write because you can use a column's name in a formula instead of using cell references. You also have the option to add a total row to the bottom of a table to quickly summarize the data in the table. So these are some of the additional features you get when you create a table. After we create a table of our own, you'll get a better understanding of what these features are and how to use them. You'll also see the advantages of using tables.